Welcome back everyone in the English class again. So today we are going to start the second chapter of our English literature. That is The Land of the Bumbly Boo. Okay, you can find this chapter on page number 12. The chapter is given on page number 12. So here what we are going to do today, we are going to read the whole poem. See, I have written it for you. Plus we are going to understand. I am going to explain and you are going to understand the poem. So let's begin our reading. But let me first give you a basic idea of what the poem is about. The poem is all about the magical things, the unusual things. Unusual things means जो usually नहीं होती, जो normal नहीं है. Okay, that doesn't happen usually. So all those things are given here. For example, see, in so many of your cartoons, the magical things are there. In our last chapter only, a magical hammer was there. So just like that, some unusual things are there in the poem. And the poem is written by Spike Milligan. Spike Milligan is the writer of the poem. He is behind all the magical things that are happening in the poem, all the unusual, I would say. Magical में तो कभी-कभी some good things happen, but here some unusual, some strange things are happening in the poem. Poem में कुछ अजीब-अजीब चीजें भी हो रही है. So what are those strange, unusual things? We will find it out here. So let's begin our reading session. So firstly, in see 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are what? Stanzas of the poem. आपकी बुक में भी दिए हैं. In your book also it is given there. 4 stanzas. First stanza, second stanza, third stanza and fourth stanza. What is a stanza? Combination of all the lines. Then when a break is given there, when some space, and then another paragraph is starting. So that this set of lines we call a stanza. Okay, so this is the first stanza, the second stanza, the third and the fourth stanza. So let's begin the explanation and reading of the first stanza. First stanza is in the land of the Bumbly Boo. Okay, I am reading it for you. You also have to read it. आपको भी read करना. Put your pencil or put your finger over there in your book, page number 12. Okay, so in the INNTHE, the land, 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 OF of THE, the, in the land of the Bumbly Boo, in the land of the Bumbly Boo, the, 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 yes, PEOPLE, people, the people are, RED, red, WHITE, white, and BLUE, blue. The people are red, white and blue. Okay? In the land of the Bumbly Boo, the people are red, white and blue. In the land of the Bumbly Boo, the people are red, white and blue. They, 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 they never, NEVER, never. If we remove this N, what will it become? It will become ever. And then when we will add this N, it will become never. So never, they never blow noses. They never blow noses. BLOW, blow. And nose spelling you know, NOIC, nose. You read it in EVS, nose. And if we add S there, it will become noses. They never blow noses. Or ever. See, we have removed this N here in this word. Or EVER, ever. Or ever wear clothes. WEAR, wear. If we remove this W, what will it become? EAR, ear. This ear. Okay. So WEAR, wear. Or ever wear clothes. CLOTHES, clothes. What a sensible, 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 sensible. What a sensible thing to do. Okay, so in the land of the Bumbly Boo, the people are red, white and blue. They never blow noses or ever wear clothes Okay, so reading is over. Now I am going to explain the stanza. So this poem is all about a magical land, an unusual land named Bumbleboo. Okay, it is about the land of the Bumbleboo. Bumbleboo नाम की एक जगह है about what the poem is. So in the land of the Bumbleboo, the people are red, white and blue. So the people are not normal there. Okay, people are not normal means they are not of the color as we are. Generally our skin color is not red, white or blue ना, but in that land उस land में जो लोग हैं people they are red, white and blue. वहाँ पे लोग red, white और blue हैं. See, you can see that in the picture. A blue man is there, a white man is there, a red man is there. So people are like this type and of this color. The people are red, white and blue. They never blow noses. Means what? They never clean their noses. Dirty people. They never blow noses. Okay? Or ever wear clothes. They do not wear clothes even. Okay? Just as we people wear clothes, they do not wear clothes. What a sensible thing to do. Sensible means समझदारी वाली बात. So what a sensible thing to do. So poet here thinks that all these things are sensible. Okay? So poet सोच रहा है कि ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं वो sensible है, समझदारी वाली है. Okay? In the land of the, what do you think? You tell me. In the land of the Bumbleboo, now second stanza we are reading. In the land of the Bumbleboo, you can buy means खरीदना. You can buy lemon pie at the zoo. Okay, I'm reading it again. You can buy lemon, L-E-M-O-N, lemon pie at the zoo. They give away foxes, T-H-E-Y, they, G-I-V-E, give, A-W-A-Y, away, F-O-X-E-S, foxes. They give away foxes in little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Put your finger over there in your book. Okay, that's why I have written all this for you. In, I-N-N, little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Pink boxes, P-I-N-K, pink, and B-O-X-E-S, boxes. They give away foxes in little pink boxes. Okay? And bottles, B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle, and if we add S there it will become bottles. And A-D-and bottles of dandelion stew, D-A-N-D-E-L-I-O-N, dandelion stew, S-T-E-W, stew, S-T-E-W, stew. So I am reading it all over again. In the land of the Bumbleboo, you can buy lemon pie at the zoo. They give away foxes in little pink boxes and bottles of dandelion stew. Okay, so now I am going to explain the stanza. In the land of Bumbleboo, you can buy lemon pie at the zoo. Do you know what is a pie? It is made up of fruits. A sweet dish when you bake it, जैसे केक को बेक करते हैं वैसे ही fruits के साथ हम बनाते हैं इसे. We bake it. Okay, that's what we call it, a pie. So a lemon pie. You can buy a lemon pie. Buy means खरीदना. Okay, so you can buy a lemon pie. आप lemon pie कहाँ से खरीद सकते हैं? In the land of Bumbleboo. Bumbleboo में आप lemon pie कहाँ खरीद सकते हैं? At the zoo. How unusual. At the zoo. What do you do at the zoo actually in our area, in our land? We see animals in the zoo. But in the land of Bumbleboo, you can buy the lemon pie at the zoo. That means you buy the sweet dishes at the zoo. Okay, you do not see animals at the zoo, but you buy some lemon pie type of dishes at the zoo. How unusual it is. So they give away foxes in little pink boxes. Okay, and what do they give as a present? वो प्रेजेंट के तौर पर क्या देते हैं? They give away foxes. Imagine somebody is giving you a fox as a present, not a teddy bear, not a chocolate, or not a little puppy. But imagine somebody is giving you a fox in a present. Will you like it? Well, I will never like it. But here in this land it happens. Okay, they give away foxes in little pink boxes. छोटे छोटे pink boxes में वो foxes देते हैं. Fox. What is a fox? लोमड़ी. Okay. And bottles of dandelion stew. And what else they give? और क्या देते हैं? Bottles of dandelion stew. Now dandelion. This is a new word for you. Dandelion. Dandelion is what? It is a type of a flower. A yellow colored flower. Okay. जैसे tulip, lily. Just the same way a dandelion is a flower. So it's a yellow color flower. And what is stew means? Stew is also a dish. Probably I would say जैसे खीर होती है ना, उस टाइप की एक डिश होती है. So dandelion stew made up of dandelion flowers. Dandelion flowers का एक stew. So what else they give? They give away foxes in little pink boxes. वो fox देते हैं छोटे छोटे pink boxes में. And they give bottles of dandelion stew. Where? At the zoo. What they give at the zoo? They give away foxes. You can buy lemon pie. And they give away foxes in little pink boxes and the bottles of dandelion stew. Okay. Now coming on to the third paragraph, let's first read it. In the land of the Bumblebee, you never see a gnu. What? We read this GNU. We do not read it as gnu. G is silent there. Okay. So we will read it as nu. You never see a nu. You never see a nu. In the land of the Bumblebee, you never, N-E-V-E-R, never. We have studied it here also. We have read it here also. You never see a nu. Nu is a type of an animal. Just a cat, dog, just the same way. Nu is also an animal. But thousands, 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 thousands of cats wearing trousers and hats. Wearing trousers and hats. Trousers, trousers. And hats. Hats. Okay. Made of pumpkins and pelican glue. Made of M-A-D-E made OF of P-U-M-P-K-I-N-S pumpkins and P-E-L-I-C-A-N pelican G-L-U-E glue. Okay. So I am reading all the full stanza again. You also read it along with me. Put your finger over there. In the land of the Bumblebee, you never see a gnu. But thousands of cats wearing trousers and hats made of pumpkins and pelican glue. Okay. Now I am explaining it. In the land of the Bumblebee में you never see a gnu. Okay. You see all the types of animals, but you never see a gnu. Gnu is also an animal, but you never see that animal in the land of Bumblebee. But what do you see there? But thousands of cats are there. बहुत सारे cats, thousands of cats are there wearing trousers and hats. So in the land of Bumblebee, the cats wear trousers. Trousers, what are trousers? जैसे pants होते हैं ना, pant, shirt and pant. So the pant, okay, only. So the cats there wear trousers and hats. Hat to you know na, topi. So the cats there in the land of Bumblebee, the cats wear trousers and hats. हमारे एरिया में what do cats wear? Probably nothing unless they are a pet cat. जब वो pet cat होती हैं तब their owner make them wear some things. But when a cat is a stray cat, ऐसे ही कोई पालतू नहीं है, stray cat है, तो does the cat wear anything? Cat कुछ पहनती है? No. here in the land of Bumbleboo, the cats are wearing what they are wearing? A hat and trousers. Okay, pants made of pumpkins and pelican glue. अब वो hat कैसे बनी है? Pumpkin से. See, you can see it in the picture also. There, beta. Here, in the picture, a cat is wearing a pumpkin hat, right? And his trouser is also of a pumpkin. So pumpkin you know na, kaddu, that vegetable which you probably don't like to eat. I also don't like to eat, but my mama makes me eat that forcefully. Well, that's something else. तो जो cats होती हैं वहाँ पर, they wear hats made of pumpkin and they wear trousers made of pumpkin. Okay, how funny I would say. कितना funny है. तो pumpkin and pelican glue. But a pelican is a type of a large bird. So the glue made up of that large bird is called a pelican glue. So, but the unusual thing is that there are thousands of cats and they wear trousers and hats made up of pumpkin. Oh my god. Okay, so then coming on to the next stanza. Oh, the Bumbleboo, the Bumbleboo. Oh, the Bumbleboo, the Bumbleboo. Achha, now here this is an exclamatory type of sentence. Oh, the Bumbleboo, the Bumbleboo. That's the place for me and you. That's, T-H-A-T-S, that's the place for me and you. So hurry, H-U-R-R-Y, hurry. S-O-So, H-U-R-R-Y, hurry. Let's run. So hurry, let's run. The train, T-R-A-I-N, train, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. The train leaves at 1, A-T at O-N-E 1. The train leaves at 1. For the, F-O-R for, T-H-E the, L-A-N-D land, O-F of, T-H-E the, Bumbleboo. B-U-M-B-L-Y, Bumbly, B-O-O-Boo. For the land of the Bumbleboo. I am reading the full stanza, the fourth stanza one more time. Oh, the Bumbleboo, the Bumbleboo. That's the place for me and you. So hurry, let's run. The train leaves at 1. For the land of the Bumbleboo. 2 more lines are given there. जो आपको sing करना है, गाना है. The wonderful Bumbleboo, boo boo. The wonderful Bumbleboo. Okay. So if we look at the meaning of this stanza, what is the poet trying to say? जो poet है, जिसने ये poem लिखी है, what is he trying to say? Oh, the Bumbleboo, that's the place for me and you. That's the place for me and you. ये place मेरे लिए भी है और आपके लिए भी है. Okay, so hurry, let's run. So hurry means जल्दी करो. Let's run, हम भागते हैं. Okay, the train leaves at 1. ट्रेन जो है थोड़ी देर के लिए रुकती है and then it leaves. ट्रेन बहुत थोड़ी सी देर के लिए रुकेगी and then it leaves the station. For the land of Bumbleboo. For going to the land of Bumbleboo, we need a train. एक ट्रेन है जो हमें Bumbleboo तक ले जाती है. So the train is in a hurry. Okay, ट्रेन बहुत जल्दी में होती है. So it leaves at 1. बस थोड़ी देर के लिए रुकती है और वो चले जाती है. So the poet is trying to say कि the Bumbleboo is a place for me and you. Okay, poet को ऐसा लगता है कि Bumbleboo मेरे और आपके लिए एक बहुत अच्छी place है. So we should go there. हमें वहाँ जाना चाहिए. And hurry, let's run. तो हमें जल्दी करना चाहिए और let's run. Okay. The train leaves at 1. The train will stop for a moment. The train will stop just for a moment and then it will leave. Okay, so if we want to catch that train for the land of Bumbleboo, we have to run. Okay, that's it. The poem is all about this. I am giving you the explanation one more time just because we have time. So, in the land of the Bumbleboo, the people are red, white and blue. What colored people are there? Red, white and blue. The people are red, white and blue. Bumbleboo में people कैसे हैं? Red, white and blue colored people. They never blow noses noses. This is a dirty thing I would find. I would say they never blow noses or ever wear clothes, and the people there do not wear clothes. But who wear clothes? The cats. Okay, the cats are wearing clothes like hat and a trouser. Okay, then or ever wear clothes. What a sensible thing to do. But poet जो है जिसने ये लिखी है, Spike Milligan, the one who have written this poem, he thinks that all these things are sensible. वो सोचता है कि ये जो सारी चीज़ें ये बहुत समझदारी वाली है, तो हमें भी करनी चाहिए. What do you think? I don't think so. You think that? In the land of the Bumblebee, you can buy lemon pie at the zoo. Now, in the land of Bumblebee, what you can do? You can buy a lemon pie. आप lemon pie खरीद सकते हैं in a zoo. Okay? They give away foxes in little pink boxes, and the people of Bumblebee, what do? वहाँ के लोग क्या करते हैं? They give away foxes. वो foxes देते हैं in little pink boxes. Okay? And bottles of dandelion stew, and they give dandelion stew in bottles. Okay? See here, you can see that little pink boxes are there in which the fox are there, and some bottles are there in which the dandelion stew is there. Then, in the land of Bumblebee, you never see a gnu. Okay, that animal, gnu is an animal. You never see that animal. But which animals do you see there? You see thousands of cats. Okay, आप क्या देखते हैं वहाँ कौन सा animal है? वहाँ एक animal है जो है cat. So you see thousands of cats there, wearing trousers and hats. जो trousers और hats पहन के घूमती है. Okay. Made of pumpkins and pelican glue. और वो trousers और hats कैसे बने हैं? They are made up of pumpkin and pelican glue. Oh, the Bumblebee, that's the place for me and you. So hurry, let's run. The train leaves at 1 for the land of the Bumblebee. So the poet is telling us कि the place is for me and you. The place is very good. Which place? Bumblebee is a very good place for me and you. So hurry, let's run. जल्दी करो, हम भागकर वो ट्रेन पकड़ते हैं जो हमें बम्बलीबू तक लेके जाएगी. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this unusual poem. Unusual means that doesn't happen. The things here doesn't happen in real life, na? Have you seen a cat wearing a pumpkin hat in your area? आपके एरिया में आपने कभी देखा है एक कैट को pumpkin की hat पहने और ट्राउजर पहने and it is roaming? No. Have you seen any red, white and blue colored people in your area? No. Have you seen anyone buying a lemon pie at the zoo in our area? No. These unusual things doesn't happen. Have you ever gifted someone a pink box in which you have kept a fox? No. So these are some unusual, some imaginary things. अगर हम इसे एक fun way में ले तो it's a very very funny poem. So I hope you have enjoyed. I hope you have understood the poem. So what is your work to do now? What you have to do? You have to make a proper good video of yourself holding the book in hand and reading the whole poem. आज हमने एक reading session भी रखा था in which I tried to make all the words, make the pronunciation of all words clear to you. So what you have to do is you have to send me a video in which you are reading the poem holding the book in your hand. Okay, and I'll be waiting eagerly for your videos. So this is it for today. Bye bye, see you later, and don't forget to send me the video.